Welcome to another video on my ESP32 Internet of Things, without Internet of Things yet, but with LED buzzer, semi-segment display, which are actually 7 LEDs, light emitting diodes. This is not connected. Then LDR right here, LCD, liquid crystal display, keypad not functioning yet, not as I wish, and 2 motors, both driven by pulse modulation. This one is fischertechnik, as is this support by the way, and a servomotor, a very cheap one, SG90. Recently I focused on getting these things to work, the buzzer and the semi-segment display with the LED. That kind of works, both in the ESP IDF toolset as well as with the Arduino toolset, but I want to get the motors to work permanently, and that is not happening yet. So let's get into the software and see how things run. Well, now the motor is running without the software being started, although there is software in it, because in the by ESP IDF toolchain it is being programmed into flash memory, and that should be retainable memory. So in that sense it makes sense that it works. It just doesn't do whatever it should do. And since this doesn't work and that doesn't work and that doesn't work, I doubt it is. I doubt it is the software. Anyway, let's see the software and the rest. So this is the other view with the oscilloscope set to pulse modulation, voltage, and well, LED, but it doesn't do anything yet. Let's first concentrate on actually this one, the Arduino. All set, that's good. But before I do that, before I start, I want to see whatever is going on, and nothing is going on. This is quite important to notice. So from here, from the toolset, I say make monitor. Could not open. Alright, that is very that means that this can't read either. Let me do it here. Change ownership to myself with TTY USB 2. That's good. Another attempt. Could not open. Okay. Why did that happen? So it is mine, clearly mine, so I should be able to see something. That means that I'm going to upload, and then probably this motor will stop. And you will be able to see something on the monitor. Yep, that that something works. And now the curious thing is that the other motor is working and this one has stopped. No, I'm going too far. No. I need to see it here. Why don't I see it here? Okay. So, okay, make monitor. And it still doesn't see anything. That is weird. This is very weird. So, is it? Yes, it is. ESP, that is correct. Okay, closing this one. And now I see it, but indeed, okay, close is with that is close. So now the other motor works. Now can I get it to work again? Make flash. Both stop. Make monitor. Alright, the LED works. Yeah. And that is something that I noticed last time as well. The buzzer cannot be set to a time interval less than 1 second. And okay, I should do this because then you see the full effect of the whole thing, including what this one is doing. But no motors. They're absolutely that quiet. So, okay, back to this one. Should be in it. Serial monitor. Return no data. Quit immediately since I put this one in. But it is the IDF code and not Arduino code. So it's still very strange. Okay, upload other code. This is a very strange thing. Look at the motor now. So the servo motor doesn't do a thing, but the fischertechnik pulse driven motor does. And the very strange thing is that the toolchain puts something into flash. The Arduino puts something into random access memory. So, although they are not strictly in the same type of memory, why do they show at the same time? Are they mutually exclusive? Could be, but I've never read that. So that is a mystery to me still, and I don't want to exhaust the number of write things to the flash. Random access memory is limitless, without any limit of number of writings, while flash certainly is. Somewhere in the tens of thousands, but then again, it's not limitless. So, what to do also about that motor? I don't know yet. And as soon as I ended the previous segment, the servo motor started running. Slowly but surely. And there it comes again. So 2 motors running, and I did not change anything at all. And yet again, this is not ESP IDF. This is the Arduino environment. And also look at the oscilloscope. Let me change the time base. So, whatever is going on, I'm not quite sure. Yes, I do like it, but this is absolutely not what I expected. So, in other words, pulse modulation is definitely working. This is definitely working. All the wires are there. Buzzer is working, LED is working. Well, the LDR kind of. LCD is working. A rather dark display, but it is working. So, what is the difference? I really need to find that out. Why are flash and RAM interfering? And I haven't found documentation about it, not to my satisfaction. But let's enjoy this while it works. That said, this crashes as soon as I start this one. So, buzzer count on off, LDR voltage is doing something. This, I haven't put the keyboard into this stuff yet. Maybe good, maybe not, but I'll have to find out. Unfortunately, I cannot simulate it because the simulation would save writing to flash. And the fact that everything works proves that everything is correct. Every wiring is correct. And that, maybe I should also point out this one, and right here I have changed this wiring because of the number of times that it got out of the socket of the 3.3 volts. So I put a staple in, and well, a very bad connection of course, but it gives a connection of 3.3 volts. You can see that right here, this is 3.3 volts, so it is a connection that works. I should solder it, but it's fine with me now. So where to go? That's a good question. So with both motors working and everything else seemingly working as well, I say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Yeah, please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information on my website. And you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge, have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information under this video. This is to be continued, hopefully with more information on the difference between the programming difference and the interference between flash and RAM on this ESP32, but who knows. The ESP code of course needs to be expanded with respect to the motors, with respect to LCD, etc. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.